Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Big on comfort and convenience, this mighty Avalanche has standard amenities, including a tire pressure monitor, 6-way power driver and passenger seats, stability control, and a premium audio system with satellite radio, MP3 input, and iPod integration. If you're looking for the ultimate in versatility, power, safety, and comfort, look no further than Chevrolet's remarkable Avalanche. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-475-9448.